And can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for more information on the death of Miss Meehan. I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
I need you to state your full name for the record for me, please.
My name is Rose Beth Coleman.
Perfect, RBC. So tell me about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Bone Marrow, California.
Fascinating. So tell me what that was like.
Well, I vaguely remember my days as a hemocytoblast. But as I matured into an adolescent reticulocyte, I accumulated hemoglobin and discarded all my organelles, including the nucleus. After this rite of passage, I'm considered an erythrocyte.
So I see you're not taking this very seriously. Let's start with something a little easier. What do you do? Do you have a stable career?
Yes, actually, my career is a very important one. I transport gases of oxygen and carbon dioxide through all body tissues. Without me, people cannot live.
See, I find that very interesting, finding that you were at the scene, standing over the dead man's body. How can you explain that?
Well, you see, my host was a runner on the cross-country team. In preparation for a meet next week, he withdrew his own blood and extracted mainly erythrocytes. In doing so, he lowered his hematocrit and sent a signal to the kidneys to stimulate erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is the amino acid-based hormone that stimulates red blood cell production.
How would you explain his death, though?
You see, he didn't just withdraw blood, he also injected it back into his body a couple days ago, causing his hematocrit to rise above healthy levels. High hematocrits are associated with viscous blood, which unfortunately reduces the efficiency of circulation.
All right. Where were you the night of the crime?
I was just floating through the bloodstream, and suddenly everyone started to panic because the vessel was getting crowded, and especially the elder erythrocytes. They're older and rigid and fragile.
What do you mean rigid and fragile?
You have to understand that in the life of an erythrocyte, things are going pretty smoothly for about 100 days.
After that, though, our shape loses flexibility, and we become more rigid, and our role as the oxygen exchangers is compromised.
And then?
Well, and then erythrocytes take certain precautions to avoid macrophages, or big eaters. Macrophages love to find red blood cells and engulf them and trap them in the spleen for all of eternity.
So what happened when these macrophages come and eat you?
Hemoglobin is composed of 4 heme groups and 4 globins. The globin decomposes into amino acids, and the heme group decomposes into iron and bilirubin. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment secreted in bile and excreted in feces. The iron core of hemoglobin supplies 65% of the body's iron supply. This vital nutrient is not discarded but is recycled back into the body for later use. However, iron cannot travel freely through the blood, so it is transported by carrier proteins such as transferrin.
Transferrin. This isn't enough, class. I want to know the death of this man. Who killed him?
He did!
Who did?
I didn't inject that needle, he did!
I gotta do.
Do you mind if I use
Yeah, it's fine. Whatever. Detective, what do you got?
This is the forensic department, and we would like to inform you that the results of the case are in.
All right, what are the results?
Let's see here. Male 21, and apparently he killed himself with blood doping, so case closed.
But that doesn't make any sense.
Was no suspect in the first place.
Oh my god.
Hello, you still there?